Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. Let's have a look at this Worcester Bosch. No power going to it, so there's no heating and hot water. Oh, so it's been powered off. Right. Let's open it up. Right. Got the power on. Let's see if there's any power going to it first. Right guys, I'm just doing a basic check if there's any power going to it or not. There is power going to it, so the boiler is still not lighting up. Now in this video we're going to hopefully diagnose the problem and hopefully repair it, and if you enjoyed the video don't forget to like and subscribe. Right guys, I got the fuse out. I'm just going to check it with my multimeter if there's any continuity on it. Now if there's no continuity on it, so I think then I got to replace this fuse. If there is continuity on it, then I got to dig deeper what's going on with it. Right guys, the fuse is 2.5 amp. Now thankfully there's some spare fuses inside the casing of the circuit board. I'm just going to use one of them. Now I've taken the old fuse out. That's the old fuse, and I put a new fuse in the case, in the holder. So I'm going to put that on the circuit board and we're going to test it out. Now guys, I don't have enough spare fuses, so I don't want it to blow on me. So I'm just checking the pump out, and I'm also going to check the fan out, and then we're going to switch the power on. Now guys, while I'm checking the fan out, I've seen some watermarks on it. Now I'm just going to unclip it, and then we're going to turn the power on. Because the last thing I want to do is put the power on and the fuse blows. Other than that, everything else looks fine. The pump looks fine, and there's no watermarks either. Right guys, I heard the diverter valve moving and I heard the pump circulating, so that's fine so far. So what we do is switch the power off and connect the fan on after that. Now guys, if you got a broken down boiler, Birmingham or South Birmingham, domestic or commercial, we repair all your favorite boilers from Biasi, Worcester Bosch and many more. So we also service them and offer Landlord Gas Safety Certificates. We also repair Gladial boilers too, water tanks, Y plan, S plan. Don't suffer in cold, give us a call. Right, now I've connected the power to the fan. We're going to test it out and let's see what happens. Right guys, the boiler did fire it up, so I'm just going to test it on hot water and see what happens. Now we're getting some hot water, which is good. Now we're going to test the central heating out. Problem is the central heating didn't work. The reason it didn't work, we couldn't find the room stat, so we had to just loop it. I looped it on the circuit board. We're going to test it out, and then hopefully whenever they can find the room stat, we can reconnect it back on for them. Don't worry, it's on me. It's not me. Right guys, sorted this boiler out, the Worcester Bosch. The fuse was blown on it. I've had it on good for 10 minutes, so it could have been anything, the low pressure or something, or a bit of dampness could have blown the fuse. Once I got the fuse sorted, the boiler started fired up, but it wasn't working in central heating, so I had to bypass the room stat, which they can't find. They can't find where the room stat is placed, so I had to bypass that. Once I got that bypassed, the central heating is working fine as well. So it's all good now, tested. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix. Right guys, the good lady wants to give me a review, but she doesn't want to come in the film, so she can give me a video review. What's your
Hi
view?
guys, so this is all sorted now. It's all good and it was fast and efficient. Thank you.
Thank you. Right, guys, this is what worked today. We're in close to city centre. If you're into some Nigerian food, just come down and taste it out. They're opening on this weekend.